here. There wasn't a glare right there. So without that glare, that score wasn't broken. And without that score being broken, y'all, it wasn't going to do what it needed to do. So we're gonna try that again, and we're gonna make sure this trip that our score is broken. Just like that. Stay behind your run. There we go. Okay. And the whole reason that these Silberschnitts do that is this right here. You see how that spins around? All you have to do is spin that around and chase that score